Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing an unboxing, and as you can see, I have the package here. So these are the items that I purchased during the Cyber Monday sale. So I got this one today, and this one actually, this is not from the Chanel website. So I'm just letting everybody know that I did not purchase this from Chanel boutique or from Chanel website. I got this through this website. It's actually, they called it Culture Crown. So they are actually selling earrings and brooch from Chanel. Like, it's like a replica or some sort of like an imitation of Chanel. So close of actually getting the real Chanel brooch, but yeah, I don't know, paying like few $100s justifies the price for the brooch. I don't know, but that is just in my personal opinion, guys. But anyway, I was able to find this, so I'm going to show it to you, and let's see how this brooch looks like. So I will be mainly using this for my purse, so just like this. So I'm just gonna put it in my purse like this, or maybe I'll just probably really use it as a brooch, who knows. But anyway, here it is. So it comes with this box. So the first item, so look at that first item. Let me just open it. Wow, it looks like the real thing though. So this is the first item. So this one actually made up of, let me see, oh, the pearls. Look at those tiny pearls in it. They look gorgeous. Wow. And this is how it looks at the back. Like that. Wow, I'm surprised. They look absolutely like the real thing. I mean, look at the pearls over here are actually very well done though. They were actually placed nicely, perfectly on the C. And also with the little tiny crystals in it, around it, and it looks very neat and clean. It looks like, yeah, the corner were actually engraved nicely. Yeah, it does really look like looks like the real thing. So this is, wow, and I paid less than $20 for this because this was during the sale. I think they have a 60% discount for the Cyber Monday, and I went ahead and purchased this. It's so hard to on the website. I checked, it looks so beautiful, it looks so pretty, and well, I might just probably, it actually, for right now, I'm actually taking a closer look. It's actually beautiful in real life, guys. Wow, it does really look like the real thing, and I paid less than $20 for this. Amazing. Wow, it's so beautiful. So this is the first item that I got as a brooch. So next, it's another brooch again. So this one has those crystals in it, and this one is gold. Wow, this one looks really well done though. Look at that, very lovely. This is the back looks like, and then this is the front. Wow, this looks beautiful. It's gorgeous. I did not expect it at all. I did not expect it at all. But I think right now they're back to the regular price, which is I think $60 if I'm not mistaken. So if you're interested, I might probably gonna have to put the link down below. So anyway, let's move on to the next box. So I have a couple here, and this one is So let's start with the smallest, with the smaller box first. So this one is another brooch again, and okay, let me show you. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is totally unexpected. For $60, I think currently right now $60, but I know I mentioned that I got this one during the sale and I got this for less than 20. And look at those pearl. I did not really expect it at all. It looks like it's made of a really high quality material. The pearl looks gorgeous. This one is actually a large pearl and with a gold hardware at the back. Wow, I did not expect this one at all. I mean for the $20, I must say, for the $20 that I paid, I must say it's worth it. It's totally worth it. And the quality is amazingly beautiful. Looking at it right now, it looks clean. The sides, the corner seems to look really nice. The craftsmanship as well, just like at the glance. I mean, I am so close on the camera right now with all the lighting, so I should at least be able to see every detail of it. And it seems that the pearls were intact, and it has a really nice feel to it. It looks really nice. It looks luxurious, I must say. I mean, for $20, I mean, it's beautiful. Just like at the quick glance at it. I did not really expect this at all. I did not expect that. It's really nice. So this is the comparison. So these are all the three brooch that I got. And this one is, wow, they're all beautiful. This one has a large pearl in it. This one has a tiny pearl. And then this one more of just like a crystals in it. But this one is by far my favorite. Look at that. I am trying to dissect every corner, and also the pearl, it was just on point. It's perfectly done, especially with this. They look very tiny. Yet it was so organized with the crystals and the pearl. Wow, absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. I am impressed. I'm totally impressed with the quality of this guy and the craftsmanship as well. I did not really expect it at all, to be honest. To look like this, to look pretty. I mean, I was just totally astonished with how they look right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I will highly recommend it. Just by looking at it right now, yes, definitely a must. So anyway, let me just put this one back on the boxes. And let's open the last one. So this one is different. So this one, they also have an earrings though. So this is an earring. And it is also a Chanel as well. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. So let me just look at that. Let me just try to take this one out, and so that you guys will be able to see exactly how they look. So this is the earrings. Oh my goodness. Wow, the earrings is also pretty though. I am blown away. So this is like a C though. I'm not sure with the C itself because of the embellishment, because of the crystals. So you cannot really see really well the C logo, but this is a Chanel one. See? Really nice. I got this one because I like pearl, and I think the embellishment around it looks absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I'm surprised. It does seem to look like all the crystals around it are intact. Wow, I'm surprised. The quality for this seems to look great though. I mean, the pearl looks really, very nice. It is really nice. Knowing the price that I paid for this, I mean, I'm surprised, really. I'm really surprised with the quality for this. So this is from from the company called Culture Crown. So yeah, it's so excited to wear this, guys. Very excited. So this one actually I think I paid $30 for this. So the earrings is a little bit more. And even though it's already been discounted, but yes, it is expensive, but I think it's worth it. It's worth it. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. So anyway, so these are my unboxings right now, and I will be using most of the brooch that I have here to put it on my purse. And I'm just gonna this one would look great on, so let me just see this. I think this would look great in here. So this one is gold, since this one is gold. So I think this would look great on the purse. Wow, the C, it's really like, it actually emphasized the C logo though, because it's gigantic, and this one it actually matched the hardware, which is gold. Really beautiful. Just like that. This one is my favorite. Amazingly beautiful. And then this one is just pure gold. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.